Today we meet a new legend from Lamborghini. This is the Lamborghini Revuelto, a machine built with power, luxury, and pure emotion. Just look at it. Sharp lines, bold curves. Every part of this car is made to cut through the air and turn every head on the street. The Revuelto is the first hybrid V12 Lamborghini ever made. A mix of old-school power and new-school technology. Under the hood sits a legendary 6.5-litre V12, working together with 3 electric motors. Combined, they create over 1,000 horsepower, enough to launch this car from 0 to 100 in just 2.5 seconds. When the Revuelto moves, it feels alive. The sound of the V12, the instant push of the electric motors. Together they create a feeling you will never forget. Inside, the cockpit is pure luxury. High-tech screens, soft materials, a design made for a driver who wants power and comfort. It feels like sitting in a fighter jet, but with the elegance of a luxury car. Every angle of the Revuelto tells a story. The exposed engine, the aerodynamic body, the futuristic lights. This car isn't just fast, it's art on wheels. But the Revuelto is more than numbers. It is a bridge between Lamborghini's heritage and modern technology. A supercar that respects tradition, but isn't afraid to evolve. More luxury and amazing supercar content is coming soon. So if you love power, if you love style, and if you love the world of luxury, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.